Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make palak saag, cauliflower and potato mix vegetable. The ingredients I have taken half kg palak saag here, some cauliflower, you can see potatoes cut up this size, you can see 3 green chilies, 1 medium size onion cut up sliced up and 10 to 12 garlic pods cut up. So today I am going to make this recipe. I hope you all will like it. It will be very nice, tasty, healthy to eat. So come on, let us start the recipe. Put some mustard oil. Put the 3 green chilies. Put the garlic cut up. Put in the onions. Let the onions fry brown. The onions are almost on brown. Now put in the palak saag. Put in the cauliflower. Put in the potatoes also. Put salt to taste. I have taken 3 medium sized tomato cut up. This also I will put in. Now the saag will leave water, so I will cover it up and let it dry. Palak, potato and cauliflower sabji is ready. You can see how tasty, yummy. Thank you for watching my video.